Think we have a stop sign here? No, we don't. But this guy acts like we do. Yeah, just get in there, buddy. ATD. Thanks, bro. Just jump in there. You don't have a 1-800 how's my driving? Because if you do, it sucks. So I want to take the time right now to talk about something that is very sensitive to us rotary guys. All right, and this pertains to an update that Mazda has made. The update is related to the prices of the REW rotary engine. Just a few months ago, you could pick up a brand new rotary engine for about $6,000. You know, six to seven, give or take. That's right, a motor from Mazda, rotary 13 REW, for about $6,000 to $7,000. Well, for whatever reason, I'm not sure what the mystery is, or if it's inflation, but that same motor, which comes with new housings, new rotors, it's a short block basically, you know, no injectors, no fuel rails, no turbo. That same motor, that same package is now over $13,000 retail price at Mazda. Okay, that is more than double the price of what you used to get. Why? I don't know. Everybody's up in arms. The rotary community is up in arms. We don't know why Mazda did it. There's some theories. I'm not sure if any of those theories are correct, but I know one of the theories is that inflation has brought up the cost. Another theory is that they're running out of the engines, so they're just trying to sell what they have. They're limited numbers. I've heard that too. And my hopes is that they've taken all the employees who normally build those engines and brought them together to make the new rotary engine, and that they're no longer making the 13B REW for now. Maybe they'll return to make it. That's my hopes. But I'm hoping that what they're doing is building the new rotary engines, you know, the ones that haven't come out. We already have a one rotor 1.6, which of course is in a hybrid. Not exactly what we wanted, but hey, you know, at least it's still alive. So I don't know exactly what they're doing, but I sure do hope that it's gonna benefit us rotary guys. With that said, Mazda, I love you. Thank you for keeping the rotary alive. But I will have to say this also, okay? If my engine, knock on plastic, plastic, not too hard because this will break. Knock on plastic. If this engine ever goes and I have to replace parts, I am going to bill it. That's right, I'm going to bill it. Why bill it? Well, why not? If I have to pay $13,000 for a OEM rotary engine, I might as well spend $16,000 and get bill it. I tend to lose with that nowadays. Back in the day, yes, you know, $16,000 for an engine, it's a lot of money. It's still a lot of money. But when you consider, okay, let me go. Okay, I appreciate it. When you consider it, it's only $3,000 difference between a OEM and a billet. So why not just get the billet and be done with it? And there's a few companies that make the billet, the plates, and now Rob Dahm is making his own rotary housings. I mean, come on. Thank you, Rob. Shout out to you for making your own housings.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found the information interesting and entertaining. And please leave a comment below what you think about Mazda raising those prices to the rotary engines.